केंद्रीय महिला एवं बाल विकास मंत्री मेनका गांधी आज राष्ट्रीय महिला नीति 2016 के मसौदे का प्रारूप जारी कर रही हैं। आइए सीधे रुख करते हैं मेनका गांधी का।
Work and women who don't, and to see what we can do in terms of defining government action in the next 15-20 years. So once it goes up, perhaps I would be really grateful if you can contribute to it. Regarding women journalists, yes, your job is incredibly dangerous at times. Whether it's dangerous or not, it is long hours and in the field. I can see my friend Tripti at the back, who works very long and very hard in very difficult places. The point is, by January, I've been trying now for 2 years, and we finally got the go-ahead on the panic button for the cell phone. Now this has come as a result of lots of people coming to me and saying that we need to have something to call the police which is GPS connected. And somebody suggested we wear bracelets, and somebody suggested necklaces, and somebody actually suggested underwear. Now the point is that we're not jailbirds, we're women. So I thought that why not choose something that we all have and need even for our work, or just like that. Even when I go to my villages in Pilibhit, a lot of women have them as well. So we thought that if we put a button into the cell phone, and you could press it if you wanted the police. And with this, the ministry is also considering putting an app which has been invented but is not in the market as yet, which we're going to negotiate for, which is an app that if you press the button, the 10 people nearest to you will get a shout. So one of them, if they respond, they will come quicker than the police. So that will be part of this package. Anyway, that's one of the things that might be able to help you if you think. I mean, there will be many other things, but this is one of those things. Shall we just start with the presentation? I think we'll need the mic for this. Do you need the mic?
राष्ट्रीय महिला नीति 2016 का प्रारूप जारी करते हुए केंद्रीय मंत्री मेनका गांधी, जिसमें उन्होंने कहा कि महिलाओं को सशक्त करने और साथ ही साथ महिलाओं की सुरक्षा को लेकर कई कदम उठाए जा रहे हैं, जो कि इसकी नीति के बारे में इसका खाका इस मसौदे में है। साथ ही उन्होंने कहा कि एक मोबाइल फोन पर पैनिक बटन दिया जाएगा, जो आने वाले समय में काम करना शुरू करेगा और महिलाओं की सुरक्षा से संबंधित वो एक महत्वपूर्ण कदम होगा।